splice the main brace, me arteries, you fools. You'll soon be the dinner for bloodthirsty schools. I won't be unswaggled, so don't even try. The life that you've chosen, you'll never be dry. You're a scallywag blackguard, come share me some grub. You'll wear a hempen halter as you swing from the log, to heave to and say a few prayers as you drink. It's to Davy Jones' locker you surely will sink, and we'll all go down. Yes, we'll all go down. We'll all go down with the ship. A clap of thunder, me matey, drink it on down. There's danger ahead, you'll be needing this round. Guzzle that grog, you lasses and lads. Say goodbye to the landlocked lives that you had. 45 fathoms or further you'll go. You'll be Salmagundi for the fish down below. Don't hang your chin, let the drinking begin. So heave to and sail, 3 sheets to the wind, and we'll all go down. Yes, we'll all go down. We'll all go down with the ship. Thunder, me matey, drink it on now. There's danger ahead, you'll be needing this round. Don't hang your chin, let the drinking begin, and heave to and sail 3 sheets to the wind. We'll all